Show you my disaster apartment. Hey guys, so I kind of wanted to show you something that I never show. I mean, you kind of get glimpses of it in like the clean with me's, but you don't see like the behind the scenes of all of it and the fact that I'm unable to complete tasks. Show you my disaster apartment. Side note, water heater broke about a week ago, so some things are kind of misplaced in like around the house between the kitchen and the living room and the back room because of the water heater breaking. We'll start off in the back room. There's a whole bunch of stuff to here. The ghost made that pink thing fall. This is the kitchen. RIP. Christmas stuff, because we still haven't done that yet. What's that? Entertainment center. This is me cleaning the living room, deep cleaning it and decluttering. So from here to the desk is done. I don't know why his comforter's there, but like this is only half done. Obviously none of this got touched. And then we go up the stairs. Oh, you're gonna love this. Wait till you see the hallway. Like, okay, sock, shirt, toilet paper, because that goes there, right? This. For why? This needs to go back in my bedroom. This is me decluttering Finley's room. Well, I'll take you in here. Finley's room, half decluttered, stuff just kind of everywhere. Closet's clean though. Go into my bedroom. Closet door doesn't shut. This area, bed's not even made today. And look, you have to step on stuff to get through the hallway. And Xander's room isn't too bad. So like, that's nice. Well, I don't know what that's in the corner though. And like, he has a garbage bag that he was gonna get rid of stuff. This child. My bathroom's not bad. There's a couple clothes on the floor. Then you put a garbage bag in there. Things I just never show. I don't know how to complete things. I'll start them and then it'll be like weeks to months later. And then I'll finish them. Does anybody else have this problem? I'm struggling.